Hello, and welcome to the motor replacement tutorial for your second generation boosted board. In this video, we will cover how to remove and reinstall a motor. You will need a skate tool and your 3mm hex tool. Use your 3mm hex tool to remove the two black motor cap screws. Set these aside with your motor cap. Use the skate tool and take off the axle nut and axle washer. Remove the wheel and the drive belt by rotating and pulling at the same time. You will need to loosen or remove your kingpin nut in order to get the motor clear of the motor driver. Now, use your 3mm hex key to remove the 4 motor screws that hold the motor to the motor mount. Swing the motor clear so that it extends straight out from the board. Grasp the motor cable firmly and pull straight back until the cable ends separate. Take your new motor and place it inside the motor mounts and use the 4 motor screws to reattach the motor to the motor mounts. Tighten your motor screws snugly and then back each screw off exactly 1/4 turn to allow slack for belt tensioning. Now, grab both ends of your motor cables and line up the arrows, pressed together firmly. Place your drive belt around your wheel pulley, then replace the wheel on the axle, pulling the belt over your motor pulley. Replace your axle washer and the axle nut. Brace your thumb against the wheel and place your fingers on the motor. Using a strong pulling motion, pull the motor towards the motor driver, away from the hanger until the belts are taut. Tighten the 2 screws furthest from the wheel, then the 2 closest to it. Make sure to use the long end of the hex tool to tighten these. Replace the motor cap over the motor and use the 3mm hex tool to reinstall the 2 motor cap screws. Insert the long end of the tool into the screw and use the short end to properly tighten. Remember to tighten down your kingpin nut until at least 2 threads are showing. Now that covers how to replace your motors. If you have any more questions, feel free to email us at service@boostedboards.com or give us a call Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 Pacific Standard Time. See you on the road.